So next from cyanides and esters, I will give one more examples now, nothing for this. So this is chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, you can take bromobenzene. The first step, magnesium in the presence of ether, and the second step CO2, third step hydrolysis H3O plus. Okay, so here the final product is what, Nana? Final product is that is benzoic acid. The benzoic acid is the final product. Okay, now the next type of preparations, that is from cyanides, esters and amides. From cyanides I am writing, from cyanides. Okay, now cyanides and amides. Cyanides and amides. Cyanides or amides, hydrolysis with in the presence of acid, in the presence of base, acidic hydrolysis or basic hydrolysis. So cyanides, always mind it, this is important, very important. Cyanides hydrolysis, water in the presence of acid కావచ్చు, acidic hydrolysis, లేదా వాటర్ ఇన్ ద presence ఆఫ్ బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్ తీసుకున్నా, acidic hydrolysis or basic hydrolysis అంటారు. Water in the presence of acid, water in the presence of base, anything you can take. Then initially it gives that is amide is the formed. It is initially forms amide formed. This is forms amide. C double bond O NH2 వస్తుంది, amide వస్తుంది. This amide upon again hydrolysis or base, then it forms carboxylic acid, and NH2 is eliminated in the form of NH3. Ammonia is eliminated, right? So one more example, it is the cyanobenzene. Simply if I write H3O plus, you have to consider final product. Consider final product consider చేసుకోవాలి. హైడ్రాలసిస్ ఏమొస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ బెంజమైడ్, C double bond O NH2. Okay, then further hydrolysis H3O plus అంటే water in H plus. H3O plus is nothing but water in H plus nana. Then we'll get benzoic acid plus ammonia. This is cyanobenzene. Okay na, benzene carbonitrile అంటారు, లేదా benzene cyanide, లేదా phenyl cyanide, కామన్ నేమ్ phenyl cyanide, IUPAC నేమ్ benzene carbonitrile అంటారు. Now this is benzamide. Okay, benzamide, okay, benzamide, right? Okay, cyanide చూడండి, cyanide ను హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేస్తే H3O ప్లస్ వేస్తే COOH final product, mind it, final product. Okay, next from amides, just now we discussed amides. Okay, this is amide. So amide when react with acidic hydrolysis లేదా basic hydrolysis, then the product is carboxylic acid plus ammonia. Okay, so I am taking the example, this is the acetamide. This is called acetamide. Upon hydrolysis it gives acetic acid plus ammonia. వస్తుంది, right? This is from amides. Next from esters. Okay, from esters. Esters also upon hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis are basic hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis are basic hydrolysis. So they give carboxylic acids. Chudandi, esters mean R C double bond O R dash. OR dash. Okay, this is acidic hydrolysis. This is the reversible reaction. Acidic hydrolysis mean water in the presence of H plus. Okay, now water in the presence of H plus. So always mind it, the bond cleavage takes place here. Okay, so the carbon side OH, oxygen side H. So R C double bond O OH plus OR dash H. So acid plus alcohol. Acid plus alcohol. Acid plus alcohol. Carboxylic acid. Acid ante carboxylic acid alcohol product గా వస్తాయి. ఒకవేళ బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేస్తే ఓకేనా, అపాన్ బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్, ఓకే బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్ అంటే బేస్ వేసి, ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ NaOH బేస్ ఇన్ ద ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ వేసారు అనుకోండి, బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్. ఓకే, దెన్ సేమ్ మ్యానర్ ఆర్ సి డబుల్ బాండ్ O మైనస్ Na ప్లస్ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఆర్ డాష్ OH, ఆల్కహాల్ ప్లస్ సాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది. ఈ సాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అయినాక దీనికి యాసిడ్ HCl కానీ ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ ఫైనల్లీ యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది. విల్ గెట్ ఫైనల్ యాసిడ్ ఆర్ సి డబుల్ బాండ్ OH వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ప్లస్ NaCl. సో బేసిక్ హైడ్రాలసిస్లో డైరెక్ట్లీ we won't get to product in the basic hydrolysis. In acidic hydrolysis direct acid alcohol వస్తుంది. In the ester basic hydrolysis water in the presence of base వేస్తే ఫస్ట్ సాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది, సాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ ఓకేనా, అండ్ ఆల్కహాల్. దిస్ సాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ అపాన్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ విత్ యాసిడ్ మీన్ యాసిడ్ మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ యాసిడ్ విల్ గెట్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, right? So this is the hydrolysis. So I'll give an example. CH3COO CH3. This is upon hydrolysis. Water H plus Sa. Okay, here cleavage takes place. This part going to form acid. Okay, this is I am writing dash. So CH3COOH acetic acid plus CH3OH dash. Okay, this dash mele alcohol అవుతుంది, acetic acid plus ethanol అవుతుంది. Okay, and similarly basic hydrolysis చేస్తే COOCH3 dash. Basic hydrolysis mean that is OH minus in the presence of water. OH minus in the presence of water. Now we'll get salt of acid CH3COO minus, okay na, plus Na plus అనుకోండి, NaOH తీసుకుంటే Na plus వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ methanol. This is further hydrolysis with acid. Final product acetic acid. Final product is acetic acid. Okay, so this is the product formation by acidic hydrolysis, directly product form, but by the basic hydrolysis salt of acid form, then after further addition of acid we will get to carboxylic acid. Okay, so next from alkyl benzene, so alkyl benzene అంటే here CH3. okay, here CH3. Alkyl benzenes when react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium or KMnO4 in the presence of basic medium, anything you can take. KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium okay, you can get to the product acidic medium. So directly this part going to form COOH, benzoic acid. So toluene gives benzoic acid. Okay na. Otherwise you can take even chromic acid, HCrO4 in the presence of acidic medium. Chromic acid kuda this is chromic acid in the presence of acidic medium. So irrespective of chain length, okay now, this may be anything, then any carbons here may be present. Then if you use any one of these reagent, the product is benzoic acid. Okay na, irrespective of chain length, okay, the product is benzoic acid. So and so I am writing here, so and so, okay. So and also you can take like this, CH3 and CH3. Any one of the reagent if you use, the product is benzoic acid. Okay. So if you use tertiary alkyl group తీసుకుంటే మాత్రం no product, CH3. If you use above these reactions, KMnO4 in the presence of acidic or basic medium, no product. Okay, so here benzylic hydrogen is required. Benzylic hydrogen I am writing, benzylic hydrogen required. Benzylic hydrogen అంటే ఏంటి మరి? benzylic hydrogen అంటే హైడ్రోజన్, ఓకేనా. దిస్ ఇస్ ద benzylic position. ఆ benzylic position హైడ్రోజన్ ఉండాలి. benzylic hydrogen required. This is the benzylic hydrogen required. There is no benzylic hydrogen, ఓకేనా. benzylic hydrogen ఉంటేనే ప్రొడక్ట్ వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే రాదు, ఓకేనా. సో ద benzylic hydrogen is required. ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ does not give product, but they gives, this is cumene. Isopropyl benzene is called cumene, okay. Which is having one hydrogen, this is have two hydrogen, this is have three hydrogens, benzylic hydrogens, okay. Now this is does not have benzylic hydrogen, does not have benzylic hydrogen. benzylic hydrogen లేదు కాబట్టి ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరగదు, ఓకే. రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ benzoic acids, right. Next acyl halides. Next from acyl halides అంటే RC double bond OCl. acyl halides upon hydrolysis చేసుకోవచ్చు. Then directly here cleavage takes place, RC double bond OH carboxylic acid plus HCl వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, okay. You can take acid hydrolysis also, basic hydrolysis, okay. Water in the presence of base, this is acetyl chloride. So simply acetic acid plus HCl, okay. From acid halides also the product formation takes place.